iPhone 13 mini was released in 2021. This is the last mini series from Apple. If you want to buy these mini series mobiles, the only best option available is from refurbished sites. I ordered this iPhone 13 mini from Cashify and this is a unboxing video. I'm going to post different videos of the iPhone 13 mini separately that include a gaming test, camera test, charging, battery drain test and more. This is not a sponsored video from Cashify. I just ordered like a normal consumer like you and testing this. If in case Cashify you are watching this video, I'm interested in doing a collaboration video with you. Check the description for my official email ID. The price of this mobile is 35,496 rupees, including the fast charger which cost an extra 200 to 300 rupees. Yes, Cashify is also selling with or without the charger for iPhones. Do note that this is a third-party charger, not an original one. In Cashify, you get 3 different conditions for the mobiles of the same model. One is fair, second one is good, and the third one is superb. The third one looks and feels like it's a brand new one and used it for a couple of days. Of course, the price also varies. This mobile is in superb condition. Let's see what it looks like. I have full faith in Cashify. If you observe my past videos, you know it. Even the MacBook Air I'm using is ordered from the Cashify itself. Inside the box, we get one more small box where the mobile is there. Below that, one SIM ejector pin is there, followed by some warranty and information cards. And then a charging cable is provided. By default, this charging cable is provided in the box. You don't need to pay extra for it. This is a Type-C to Lightning cable. From the iPhone 15 series, Apple shifted from Lightning to Type-C for charging and data transfers in all iPhones. I liked the overall packaging of the mobile. I never felt like it was a refurbished mobile. Inside the small box, the mobile phone is there and it looks good. I checked if any scratches or dents are there all over the frame, followed by the back side and even on the display side. I didn't notice anything because this is a super condition mobile. If in case you are buying a fair model, you see some scratches. Also, it varies from mobile to mobile. It's not like Cashify does those scratches or dents wantedly. It depends on the previous user on how he or she used it. The iPhone 13 mini is supported for dual SIM. One is physical and another one is eSIM. I quickly set up this mobile phone. If you want to see how to set up your iPhones, I already posted a dedicated video. You can check that if you are a first time user of the iPhone. This is how the mobile is looking. Some applications are downloading and installing background. First, let me share with you about the mobile specs. One tip I want to give here guys, if you observe the serial number here, on the last it shows F, which means this is a refurbished mobile. If you buy a brand new one, it won't show F at the last. This is a 256 GB variant and out of that you can observe the available storage. Currently it is running on iOS 18.2.1. Also, I want to show you about the battery health. This is at 100%. Do note that this battery health also changes from the condition of the mobile phone. I observed that I'm giving more information about the Cashify in this video, including the iPhone 13 mini unboxing. So this is what the refurbished device will look like from Cashify. Soon I'm going to post some more videos about this 13 mini as I promised in this video. The main agenda of all these videos is to test how good is iPhone 13 mini in 2025 after getting some updates and wear and tear. What I observed is if I review a brand new mobile phone every time, it works great with very less issues. But after a couple of months or years, if I review the same mobile, I see a lot of drawbacks. That's why I'm making this type of content occasionally on this channel. Subscribe if you don't want to miss upcoming videos and don't forget to click the bell icon to get notified whenever I upload a new video.